Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy Kruis here. It's been a little while since I've uploaded. Today I'm just going to do a simple video about these new lights that I got. This is actually my first lighting kit. Can't believe I've gone all these years without buying any lighting kits. Usually I try to use natural light as much as possible, especially because I'm such a run and gun shooter. I like to be very mobile, not take a lot of equipment with me when I travel. For me, it's fun to just be creative and try to use lights that are available, practical lights or natural light. But I decided to buy this light kit just because it's good to have in my arsenal, and I think it's pretty good. It's a light kit made by Great Video Maker, or GVM, that I bought on Amazon when I was in the States last month, and it costs around $250, which is a very good deal. And the CRI ratings on these are 97 plus. That means the color is very accurate. I don't know much about the technical specifications about those type of things, but here, I'll show you a little bit of what I have going on here. Right now I'm filming on the Sony RX100 Mark V. I'm recording audio with my phone here. I have the two lights behind a 5-in-1 diffuser thing, and it's attached to another light stand here. And then I have the third light back there, just kind of an accent light. And I have my aperture little small light thing underneath there making that blue light. And of course I got Final Cut over there in the background just to give off that filmmaker vibe. But let's check out the lights. The specific model is the GVM 560S, and it can go from 2700, 2500 to 6500 Kelvin. So that means you can change the temperature of the light from warm to cold, and also from 0 to 100% brightness or power, whatever you want to call it. So this is sort of a mini review or first impression of these lights. So far I really like them. They're really portable. They're actually not that big. They came with a little case to carry them in. They also came with light stands that are okay. Basically all you need for your beginner lighting kit, and it could be even more than beginner lighting kit. How do you think it looks? I think it looks pretty good. I have it softened, this diffuser here. The lights are pretty bright. They actually have an app that you can use as well. For me, the app integration is kind of slow because you have to connect to each of them through Wi-Fi. If you want to adjust this light and then you want to adjust these lights, you have to switch Wi-Fi. So for me, that's a little bit inconvenient. To my phone. For just over $200, I think this lighting kit is a pretty bang for your buck deal. Other lights, it'll cost you like $1,000 per light. These lights have a pretty good CRI rating. To me, they look really nice. I don't know what else to say. This is kind of just my initial impressions, and kind of just wanted to do a little setup in my room. What do you think? I've been pretty busy these past couple of months doing projects, doing shoots, and a lot of editing. That's why I haven't been able to upload a bunch, but I really want to start uploading again. So let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you have any questions about these lights or about lighting or gear or anything filmmaking in general. I'd definitely be glad to share any skills of mine with you guys, so let me know any questions. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.